Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by unboxing your Corsair Virtuoso RGB wireless headset and accessories. Charge the headset using the included USB-C cable until the LED shows full green. Locate the USB Type-A wireless dongle and pick a free Ps5 USB port on the console. If you prefer wired use, connect the headset to the DualSense controller with a 3.5mm jack. Keep the headset within 2 meters of the console during initial setup for stable pairing and to avoid dropouts. Plug the USB Type-A dongle into any front or rear Ps5 USB port and leave it inserted. Turn on the Corsair Virtuoso headset and press the power button for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. The dongle and headset will auto-pair within a few seconds when close together. On the Ps5, go to Settings, then Sound, then Audio Output, and choose USB Headset. Also set Input Device to USB Headset and enable Chat Audio via the controller for voice communication. If audio sounds low, adjust the headset volume wheel and the Ps5 system volume slider. For voice chat, ensure the Ps5 input device shows USB headset and that the microphone is not muted on the headset. If pairing fails, restart the headset and the console, then reinsert the dongle and try again. Consider using the wired 3.5mm connection through the DualSense controller as a temporary fallback. Keep firmware current by updating the headset on a PC with Corsair ICUE when possible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.